In usual plant-based formulations and products, you have a lot of palm oil and you have a lot of coconut oil, and it just doesn't have that flavour. You know, the thing I'm after as a chef is flavour, like number one, and it's the thing that's missing from all of these products.
What we need to understand here is that it's not necessarily better for the environment, that it's not a given that cultivated meat is better for the environment. It has to be designed into the production.